Morning, folks. Here we have some dryer lint that we saved, obviously from the dryer. I have an egg carton here, a tray, a flat, and I have some Gulf wax melting down. And be careful melting this stuff down. You get to this point, you want to turn your heat down, because this has a pretty good flash point where this will catch on fire. So I have 2 bricks in here of Gulf wax, which is like a canning wax, and that should be enough to make fire starters here for this whole flat, hopefully. Otherwise I'll have to melt some more. But I'm just going to take, some of this dryer lint and stick them in each little cell here. You don't have to go crazy, just stick them suckers in there, fill it up. It's a great way to get rid of your your lint instead of throwing it away. But combined with the wax, these make a great fire starter and the egg carton. And these things burn for a pretty long time when you're starting fires, believe me. I make some of these and I keep them in my camper. Yeah, we do the blood and guts routine now and then, and we, start fires with the bare minimum to keep in practice. But every now and then you get a damp day, or, you want to get into a fire quickly. And most of the time when you're going camping, they're selling you green wood if you don't bring your own. So it takes a little bit more to get them lit. So this is what you do. Now, I never actually made them out of an egg flat before. I usually just make them out of egg cartons. But I'm needing my egg cartons more and more these days. Piece of bubblegum wrapper or something. Everybody forgets things in their pockets. Those of us in this family, we don't throw garbage on the ground, so we put our candy wrapper back in our pocket till we get to a receptacle, or in this case, the dryer. People forget. And you can see this is still melting. I turned it down a bit. I'm still filling these babies. And I'm not being shy about this lint either. I'm putting quite a bit in each cell. You can see the dust coming out of here. Because this old coffee can, and we use these coffee cans for a lot of things, is if you follow the channel, you'll see. Alright, so I filled this thing complete. Oh, I'm sorry about my finger. Filled this thing completely. And look, I barely put a dent in the dryer lint. So now we'll just wait until this is fully melted, and we'll get back to you. So now we're about completely melted. I'm actually going to turn my heat off now. Just the last bit just melted. So now I'm taking my little pot here. I'm going to try and film this. It's not that easy. And all I'm going to do is start pouring this right over. Oop, I'm dripping a little bit. Not good. Try not to drip all over the place. This ain't the greatest pot. It works. be wasteful either. And you don't have to completely cover it all, just as long as you get the majority. There you go. I'm gonna put this back down here. And then it'll just cure and cool down, and you'll be ready to peel each one of these off one at a time and light it on fire. So you just peel off these. This is the corner, usually a little bigger. Alright, I'm just going to show you how long these suckers burn. Very hot too. Alright, just stop the camera quick to put the stand on for about 30 seconds.